In 1513, a Turkish admiral drew a map, an incredibly detailed map of the world, including coastlines that wouldn't be officially discovered for another 300 years. Antarctica, shown in perfect detail, before anyone knew it existed, before any human being had ever set foot on its shores. Scientists have studied this map for over a century, and they still can't explain it. This is the Piri Reis map, and it might be the most terrifying document in human history. The year is 1929. In the Topkapi Palace in Istanbul, a group of historians are cataloguing old documents. Buried among thousands of papers, they find something extraordinary, a fragment of a map drawn on gazelle skin dated 1513. The map is signed by a man named Piri Reis, a famous Ottoman admiral and cartographer. But what's on the map is impossible. It shows Europe, Africa, and the Americas with stunning accuracy. The Atlantic coastlines match modern satellite measurements almost perfectly. For 1513, this alone would be remarkable. But then historians look at the bottom of the map, and they go silent. At the bottom of the map, where the South Pole should be, there is a landmass, a detailed, accurate landmass with mountains, rivers, and bays clearly marked. That landmass is Antarctica. Here's the problem. Antarctica was not officially discovered until 1820, 307 years after Piri Reis drew his map, and the continent has been covered by ice for at least 6,000 years. Yet the Piri Reis map shows Antarctica's coastline without ice, the way it would have looked thousands of years before any civilization we know of existed. When the U.S. Air Force analyzed the map in 1960, they confirmed it. The map shows subglacial topography of Antarctica that matches modern sonar imaging perfectly. How is this possible? Piri Reis himself wrote a note on the map explaining where he got his information. He said he copied it from older maps, much older maps, maps that no longer exist. Who made those original maps? When? And how did they survey a continent hidden under miles of ice? There are 3 theories. Each one is more unsettling than the last. Theory 1, a lost civilization. Before recorded history, an advanced civilization existed on Earth. They mapped the entire planet. Then they disappeared, and their map survived, copied and recopied through thousands of years. Theory 2, ancient contact. Sailors from an unknown civilization crossed the Antarctic waters thousands of years ago. They mapped the coastline when it was still ice-free. Theory 3, and this is the one that keeps historians awake at night. Someone mapped Earth from above, from a perspective no human in 1513 could have had, a view from space. None of these theories have been proven. None have been disproven. The Piri Reis map sits today in the Topkapi Palace Museum in Istanbul. Anyone can go see it. It is real. It has been studied by the world's leading cartographers, historians, and military analysts, and not a single one of them can explain how a Turkish admiral in 1513 drew a map of a continent that wouldn't be discovered for another 300 years. Some secrets aren't buried under sand or ash. Some are hiding in plain sight, in museums, in libraries, on walls. If you want to know what other impossible artifacts are hiding around the world, subscribe to The Buried Truth, because we're just getting started. See you in the next one.